All right. Welcome to the Crypto Boss Angel channel. Let's look at Bonk 1000. This is on Mexc. Weekly chart is obviously completely overbought. Let me zoom in a little bit here. And frankly, we probably topped out. It's on Binance. It's on all these exchanges. It's on KuCoin. It's on Coinbase. That's usually blow off top. 3-day charts resetting. The daily charts oversold. Probably trying to flag out, but I would take that with a grain of salt because of what I just said. The 4-hour time frame is trying to cover up here. So the 4-hour time frame trying to get some steam. We'll see if it can do that. I am in a short on this from 24. Stop loss now at break even. You're well above the 200-day moving average on these higher time frames. You could say that this is some sort of bull, or not bull, like falling wedge that is trying to break to the upside here, and that's probably valid. So if we're I'll just humor that idea for a second, and if that is the case, your measure move on the 4-hour time frame would be for a new all-time high up to 4.6. If we look at the 1-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame is overall making a lower high. So again, heat caution, 15-minute making a higher low. That's interesting. I'm basically trading the 15-minute time frame. And a front ran this move lower below this 200. It's simple moving average. You weren't below it very long. You're flirting with it right now. That simple moving average is at 20. We'll call it 21, 20.8 right now, which is really where you are now. The 15-minute chart is trying to make a falling wedge, make a higher low. Let's see it. Let's look at the 7-minute. 7-minute is definitely making a falling wedge. Can you break out of this falling wedge to the upside? My guess is short term, yes. The question is, can you make a higher high and a new all-time high on the 4-hour time frame? We'll see. Measure move on the 7-minute scalp will be to 22 almost. It makes me wonder if I should close my trade because technically, actually, basically, it's at 21 is where the 200 simple moving average is at. Although that is the 7, not the 15. On the 15, it's at 20.8. So I would watch this carefully. That's why my stop's at break even. If it goes back and breaks out, it is a very good chance you're going to make a new all-time high. So we'll see what happens. And that is what I got. Your short-term measure move is 21.8 for the 7-minute falling wedge, and the 4-hour time frame measure move is the more I look at this, the more bullish I am. Actually, I wasn't very bullish before I started this video, but the measure move for this is 4.6 cents. We'll see what happens. Daily charts also ready to rip, so maybe you get one more move up, although you're on all exchanges, so I would take a great deal of caution when trying to trade this. Also, 3-day and weekly are very much overdue for a correction, so be cautious. The daily could make a higher or a lower high and still be bearish on the higher time frames, such as the daily and weekly, or 3-day and weekly. Just look at this with a grain of salt. You can make a lower high even on the daily, maybe as high as like 3. First slightly lower high, and then the daily will dump again and then make a lower low. We'll see what happens. Short term, it does look bullish, so I am in a long or short on this. I am in a short on this, so we'll see what happens. With that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this, pretty sure if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next episode.